Hello, welcome to Geo's TNT, Tips and Tricks. And today, I'm going to do actually a really common problem that a lot of people don't even know. And it's how to get rid of hiccups. Quick and easy and fast, very efficient. I'm going to teach you two simple ways. You can do them at home. You can do them anywhere, in the office, in the bathroom. Weird a little bit in the bathroom, but you can do it anywhere. So, the first one is, when you have hiccups, drink very cold water. So now I will get myself a glass of ice cold water, and then I'll show you what to do when you drink ice cold water.